doing? What are we gonna do today?
Smoking a cigarette.
Got some tires for the Green Goblin. So that's where my money went. I did get some plugs, not plugs, some fittings. Cause I'm still waiting on the ones that I bought off of Amazon. I still wait. It's been months from Summit.
So you ordered them from?
Yeah, I ordered them tires and went ahead and ordered those from Summit. They come, it was like a day later. I'm still waiting on the ones from Amazon.
Did you already pay Amazon?
Yeah.
I'd call and tell them, y'all, just give me my money back. Yeah. Like, it's just, I could already made them by hand with a screwdriver and a pair of pliers, man.
So I bought these, and hopefully they'll work. They should screw in that thing. So I got 2 for you and then 2 for me.
You know what? This is a question that I asked myself not too long ago. Why didn't we try these upside down just once?
Have them shoot up?
Yeah, but see, you got that much room. If we just did the bullhorn on out the front fender, right in front of the tire, just up at the fender right there. This is gonna be a monster.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers!
He meant to say cruiser. He got it mixed up, y'all.
Hey, it's gonna be all moisturized up, ain't it? And put some bolts to the brakes, but we don't worry about that.
These things are gone, bro.
Yeah.
Both of them now.
Yeah, they gone. And I gotta bend some shit. Get this out of the way for a minute.
You done creased it right there.
That's all right.
But now it's unreliable.
So my brake pads will last longer. You ain't know that trick?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've seen
Put a kink
that.
in them a couple times and slow the brake fluid.
Was you gonna put it on backwards? Put it on this side. You wouldn't even be able to turn much. I guess it'd be the same.
No. It did take yeah, that did take a few minutes. I'd still be able to turn though. That's what I'm talking about. It looks even meaner. That's just it coming out right here.
Alright guys, we're gonna take this master cylinder and stuff off. And probably these 2 lines because we got to remake those anyway. That's the quick, easy way to get it off.
Yeah. That's how you do it. Brand new, put it on. Take it, rip the shit off.
Ripped it off. Hey, you don't even keep them things clean, bro.
What, these?
Yeah, look at that.
It's a barn fire, man. What do you expect? Look, it ain't even up yet. God, look. Some travel's gone.
There you go, you finally up there. Look, you about to hit the block right there. Maybe another little turn. What kind of shit is that? Them things are way too long. The gaskets ain't gonna fill that gap. I don't know what they think.
I know what I'm thinking. It could be a damn monster. This supposedly goes up through here. Like that. That. It's gonna work out just fine to me. Fine to Dan.
Well, what about right there?
What, right here?
Yeah.
It's gonna go right in there. Ain't nothing wrong
The
with
nut. I think I think it's gonna be really close, but I think it'll work.
Yeah, it might just nick it.
Yeah, just nick.
Put a couple little hairs on it. You won't see. You don't hear that shit when I'm going straight.
Yeah.
I would like to take these dust covers off.
Do it.
They ugly as shit, and they don't really serve a purpose.
They keep the dust off of them.
There ain't no damn way.
So now we need to figure out where we need to mount the shit. So we need to take
The brakes?
the stuff off of there, put the master cylinder here.
We're gonna have to go down right here. It's the farthest away from all of it.
So we got brainstorming to do. Brainstorm. We ain't got much brain, so it ain't gonna be a big storm. You said it was hard to get to?
Yeah.
Why?
Because where we did that unreliable stuff, and it jumped in the way of the brake bolt.
So
Went to the brake master cylinder.
So you telling me
now we can't have brakes.
we put the fuse box in the way of the brake bolts? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah. But it's alright. Because we can get to it. You just gotta finagle.
Finagle.
And get your hand up in there.
Is that a word?
I don't know. It is, because I think so.
So you gonna cut this off?
Yeah.
And then what?
Just look.
Look.
You're gonna cut it and then look at it.
And then cut it again.
Look at
And then cut it some more. Sounds like we got a plan.
it.
That brainstorming worked, doesn't it?
Yeah. Works quick sometimes.
We're gonna cut some stuff off of here and yeah, weld it together again. We're gonna cut it apart, weld it back together. So basically we need to get this thing tucked as close as we can right there. That's how we're gonna do it. There we go.
That baby's short. That's ready to do some slicing and dicing. I'm trying not to let it get me today.
Will he cut himself by the end of this video? Let's see what kind of injury he'll get. Just draw it on your finger there. And then we be able to play with the welding gas, which we ain't never used, so this is gonna be fun. You want to experiment on your thing first, or you think we ought to
On what thing?
welding that? You want to practice welding your stuff that we need to weld, or practice welding on scrap?
We can practice on what we need to weld. I ain't scared. This is better couldn't, so I ain't scared.
I think if you throw a good fat caterpillar on there,
Yeah.
she'll hold together.
Shit, yeah. I agree.
But let's make sure it fits on there first before we do that.
That might be good too.
Yeah, it'll work.
We're going with it.
Yeah,
We gotta
I
quit.
think so too.
Our brains gotta quit storming so much. You just gotta start putting shit together.
Good storm. We ain't putting on a big storm. Alright, time to get this thing set up. Set flow gauge to SCFH value indicated on settings chart.
Did you read the safety first?
No, we don't read that. Alright, yeah, so here's the gas.
That just tells what gas. That's what I got.
Yeah.
75, 25.
Yeah.
Alright, so that ain't telling me what I need to know.
Alright.
I need to know
20 to 30. S. No. What? Is that what you put it on? That's for all of them.
what 20 to 30 on what, all of it? 30's wide the hell open on that. That can't be right. Oh. Oh. That's long as shit.
Yeah.
You gotta cut this wire back. That's too long for me, bro. Alright, so the speed is what?
260.
That's the speed?
First one.
Let's slow that baby down. That's going a little fast.
She threw a weld on there, boy. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Man, is it gonna work?
Hell yeah!
Well, I tell you, that looks a lot better than my chicken poop I'll be doing.
Yeah, because we got gas, because I'm chicken poop too.
Yeah.
That's the best weld. Hey, that's the best weld I ever did in my life right there. Golly, look at that. It's almost pretty.
Yeah.
Like it's smooth.
It's smooth.
We ain't even talking about dimes in that. That little look like, man, that's nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. Man, I welded some stuff with that other welder. And it was bird turned up.
Yeah.
It worked.
That was a human turd. It's smooth.
It's a log, yeah.
I put a log on it.
You want to try it?
Did you put dimes?
You should try it, E.
Did you put dimes on
Find
it?
a piece of metal. Let's
I
get
didn't see
you
the
some.
rest work, man.
Alright.
You gotta put some
I'm gonna
dimes
drop
in.
dimes on it.
All right. I want to see the dimes. That shit prettier than dimes. And dimes look like you're nervous. That shit's smooth like glass. Ed in the welder. He's gonna drop some dimes on us.
Look at that caterpillar. It kind of looks like it's sitting there.
It looked like you
It's a
skipped a lot
caterpillar.
of that. It's got legs.
It's not cooking it enough. We need to turn this up. Yeah, that was better. Melted that caterpillar.
But I say that's welded.
Put them dimes on it. Look, they long.
Them long dimes. Heads run over on the train track by the train.
Them long.
Then they
dimes.
stack them.
Oh shit. Then we need to build this cart and make where we put that tank in the
Now
back.
that's the gas, boy. It's on.
Now we gotta
We done
build.
forgot about the hot rods.
Now we
we're
gonna build
building
shit.
stuff. Check this out.
Does that even work?
We ain't even tried it.
People update. What's the update?
The update is, well, we spent a lot of time when you've been in this factory. So then we come to the thing. You got this good,
It's easier to use
nice
this.
tubing
Oh, yeah.
brake line. It's real easy to bend. So we've moved on from this to that. And now we got to take the fittings and put them on that. And finish it. Show the people.
Oh, you put his wheel on there.
Show the people.
Show the people. Here's his wheel. There it is on the inside. Should have some turning radius. She's up there.
Alright, so this can go to the peak.
That tire's still on the ground. Alright, so we're gonna keep trying to form these lines up here and get them ran to that proportioning valve. And then on from there down, do what we can do until it rains, which could be any time now. People update.
Yeah. People update. It's about to storm on us.
But we got one line.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Alright, I'm done with that. We out of here. We are out of here. Alright, it's time to clean up. That was a sign. That was a sign. We are out of here. Woo! Screw that.
We gotta tell the people about that?
I said, don't tell the people about that.
Yeah, it's alright.
They only need to know they don't need to know that the arm's loose. We'll sit tightly. Shh, 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 shh.
That is an awesome tool, dude.
It is.
It is really.
It's awesome expensive, but it's nice. That's some big old fat raindrops. Listen at it. Alright, we got a break in the rain. We're gonna try to at least get this other line made from the master cylinder to the proportioning valve. When you're doing this, you want to be out of the frame. And don't measure nothing, just cut randomly.
Yeah. And
that'd be
have a
too
dull
short.
blade on your cutter. You only got to spin it 188 times.
Alright, got her good and tight. She's ready to go. Click this on the OP1. OP2. She's flared. 100% flared and ready to go.
Oh, look at what I did.
Oh my gosh! Now we gotta start over.
Oh, shit. Put it on backwards, dude. How do you do that?
Oh,
Would you look at that?
now we gotta bend a whole nother piece.
That is terrible, man. That was made, dude. That was ready. Golly, look at this mess. What in the heck?
Alright, we're gonna bend up another piece. Here's a tip, don't put your fitting on backwards. Remember to put it on, but don't put it on backwards. Now you tighten down them two lines. We got those made. This is how far we made it all day. 2 lines, a pack of cigarettes. Yeah, that's what we got so far, guys. We're running out of time. It's getting dark, getting late. Alright guys, I guess come back next weekend and hang out and we'll get that done. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.